those who are suffering from memory loss, sleep related issues. This mudra will help you to build lung capacity and life force. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. So today the question is about lung capacity. How we can improve lung capacity, and in that also, apart from pranayam, what all practices we should do. So this is the question. For this, first understand the system of lungs. They will work with you if you give right atmosphere to them. If the air quality is not good wherever you are living, whether you are in Australia, whether you are in Japan or in France, if the air quality is not good, then nothing will work for you. No practice can help you, no food can help you. So this is the first step which you need to take care. Make sure that you are in right place. So right place meaning good amount of oxygen must be there wherever you are living, wherever you have your house. Now, when you talk about the technique or practice, there are many methods in breathing, in pranayam. There are many asanas, yogic postures, which can help you. Today, we will learn and we will get trained in a very simple mudra technique. The name of this technique is Prana Mudra. Pran meaning life, mudra meaning gesture. This mudra will help you to build lung capacity, and at the same time the way how your body is functioning with life force, or in simple understanding, how our body is working with oxygen. Prana Mudra is for everyone. A child also can practice, adult to an elder, all can practice. But before doing Prana Mudra, there are few important points which you need to cover. First step is make sure that the body is in movement. So before you perform Prana Mudra, do some walk. It can be healing walk, it can be Siddha walk, it can be your normal jogging. Finish that. This will cover our first point. Second is empty stomach. To practice Prana Mudra, and that too for lungs, make sure that you have gap between your meal for 1 hour. So before after 1 hour gap you need to maintain. This is our second step. Third point is your mind and your heart rate need to be relaxed. You should not be anxious. You should not be in anger mode. You should not be in depression, irritated. So relax your body, relax your mind, and then prepare yourself for this training. To prepare for Prana Mudra training, sit down the way how you feel comfortable. In this mudra, we use both the hands. Your thumb, the tip of your thumb will touch the tip of your ring finger and your little finger. Both hands need to be formed in this manner. Once you are ready, then body straight and place your hands on your knees. Now breathe slow. Holding for this mudra can be 1 minute, and from there gradually you can go for 10 minutes hold. Those who are able to hold this mudra for 10 minutes, then you can move to the next step, which is 15 minutes. Once you get perfection to hold this mudra for 15 minutes, you will see amazing transformation in your body, especially the way how you are breathing, the way how your lungs are working. Your body will become a powerful container. More you practice, more you gain. To come out from Prana Mudra very gently, you leave the fingers, relax your hand, and then gently come out. Now breathe slow and relax. Now in Prana Mudra, the other important things which you can learn or which you can execute, they are about place, they are about the atmosphere. So if you are practicing in closed environment, make sure that you have good ventilation. If you are practicing outside, then there also make sure that you are not disturbed by polluted air, you are not disturbed by some strange energy, which can be the sound of people, which can be the sound of traffic. So relaxed place is the best place to practice Prana Mudra. Deeper you go in this practice, lots of other benefit you will receive. This mudra is also a dynamic process to prepare your body to upgrade from level 1 to level 2. Very helpful for athletes. If you want to improve your result, you can take help of Prana Mudra. Very, very dynamic for elders. Those who are suffering from memory loss, those who have sleep related issues, they also can practice Prana Mudra. So there are so many benefits of this technique, and the beauty of Prana Mudra is there is no side effect. We planned for 1 minute, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Even if you do it for 1 hour, it will only give you power, it will only give you benefit. There is no side effect. To hold this mudra for longer duration, you need to train your body. Initially, while holding, you may feel little pain on your palm, little pain on your wrist, but it's a natural process. You do it regularly and all this pain will vanish, it will disappear, not to worry about that. So this is about your Prana Mudra, and this mudra we are practicing and learning for lungs capacity. With more your questions, more training. We'll meet soon. Prayers for you. Keep practicing and keep growing. Namo Himalaya.